Well, I'm getting started a little late this morning. I guess the allergy season is upon us, but I had to take some Sufedrin last night, and that's a mild form of speech, so I overslept, plain and simple. It happens every now and then. I apologize for any inconvenience it may have started. Can anybody hear me? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can anybody hear me? Testing, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. Shows that the mic is not working. Okay, well, we'll just assume that it is then. Anyway, I apologize for being late. Okay, it's a holiday market still. Europe and Asia are not playing. They take Mondays off after Easter. They get a 4-day weekend out of that. So we've got a couple of places, inflection points to look at. Number one of them is 24. And we got this high right here, and we've got this overnight low right here. So I put our first buy 21 to 25. And then you can see we've got a breakout from 9. We also have this high at 17. So our next buy point was 13 to 17. And normally after we have a big strong trend day like this, we get a pause day, and they're going to look for where support is. So my guess is the first action is going to be to the downside, and it'll be basically testing that 20 to 24 area or 12 to 17. London's high was 31. The overnight session high was 30.01. That's pretty typical after a day like this. We had initial support at 27.5. Our next support would be down here at 23, and then at 17. So this would be our first level of support. That would be our second level of support. On the sell side, 31s to 03. We'll pick up Friday's action. I don't think we can get above 04 and then 7 to 11 unless the E-mini just really, really crashes. Okay, we have PMI services at 58.4. Pretty generous if you ask me, but the service sector is where everybody always looks. ISM services at 56.7. So both of them are pretty healthy numbers. And if they do come in at these levels, it would be supported for the stock market and not so much for the financials. You're looking at the ZB. Okay, another thing that might help us hurt our financials is it looks like Greece is going to ungraciously accept the offer from the EU or the ECB, and they never had any choice. If they wanted the money, they were going to accept the EU's deal. So Russia doesn't have any money to give them. If China were to come in and overtly start supporting the Greece economy and helping them leave the EU, that's kind of cutting off your nose to spite your face. I think the EU is China's biggest export market, or the second biggest after the United States. So it's a very, very important market to them. Okay, we've got this ledge right here at 65.0405. We've got this breakout here at 64.30. This one could go a little deeper, so we'll make it 29.01 for buy 1, and then 21.25 for buy 2. Usually don't have any trouble getting to our second numbers. Last rotate up was 19. We're currently at 17, so 15 to 19, sell 1. And then 23, 27, sell 2. The knob spread's coming in quite a bit and coming in quickly this morning. So okay, gold was interesting. They've drawn a line on the charts at 1220. They said if we take that out, the short squeeze can really, really take off in a hurry. And you can see 1220 right here. Actually, we're above it right now on the last. So we got a shot at 12 at a short squeeze, right? So that would make our 1250 area right up in here. 1244 to 1254 is the next resistance zone. So we'll pay attention to that. When I was writing, it hadn't taken out 1220. Goldman has warned about a possible short squeeze, as have others. So we've got a big market. It is pointed higher right now. We're at 1222. We got an attractor at 29. 25 is a round number. So sell 1 will be 25 plus or minus. Sell 2 will be 30 plus or minus. Last rotate down stopped at 16. We're at 22. So 15 to 18, buy 1. And then the breakout down here, basically 10 for buy 2. But there are extra dynamics at play in gold. Okay, with Europe still on holiday, the currency markets will be quieter than norm. That means they're dead or they can be explosive. We have 11.11 is the desired sell. Don't think you can get there today, but you can come in and you can just see, got this high basically at 11. You got this low right here at 11.10, and we got this spill from 50, and we're at 10.38 right now. So I think we are headed higher this morning, and without the buffering from the cash markets in Europe, it's going to be, things could move up and out. So 10.50, 60, sell 1, and then we'll make 75.85, trying to pick up this high volume number, sell 2. On the buy side, basically 110. And then 75 for buy 2. This market does not have its full complement of players, so like I said, that can be good or bad. Okay, crude is trading up. Not a lot of news out of Yemen over who's taking what and who's doing what to whom. Probably the biggest article out there was the financiers trading community is really bullish on the price of crude oil right now, that the bottom's in, it can trade up. I don't know that, but that's what the tape chatter was. But things out of Yemen are pretty quiet. So 75 to the buck, sell 1. Got this low volume number up at 50, so 25 to 51, sell 2. On the buy side, we've got volume at 50. So 50, 50 and a quarter, buy 1. And then 49.50 to 75, buy 2. And that's pretty much the overnight trading range, except for sell 2. Okay, it'd be interesting to see how the E-mini plays out today. We're getting into earnings season right now, starting in the 3rd week of April. I don't know when Alcoa reports, but they're the first of the big ones to report. And so I think the issue right now is whether the market is separated from Fed intentions or not. It's going to trade fundamentals, and we won't know for a while. I think today, if 50 holds as resistance, we can't get through that, then we are headed lower. If it comes out, you know, we've got this low over at 34, we got a 38, and we got a 39, so we're getting higher lows right here. So the first sell is going to be 49 to 51. We're just leaning against 50. It is a very round number. And then 54, 56. And you can see that we had this spill from 58 the other day. So retesting, I think at some point we do have to retest this spill from 58. But the issue is, can we get through 50 this morning? And I don't know if we can. First buy is going to be 40 to 42. Then 35, 38 for buy 2. So I think we can have our answer at 2050. And then the second place structurally you want to get short would be 57, 57.50. Our 54, 56 gives us a little wiggle room for that to be rejected. But we'll play for a pause day to day, and we will see what happens. Okay, it'll take probably 15 minutes or so to get everything posted where it's supposed to go, and I'll see you a bit after that.